Hi there, you're watching Gardens and Graveyards, and my name is Charisma, and today we're going to continue our weekly regiment sharing. And it's Monday, so we're going to mow and mulch. And all that means for us is that we have two small areas, one in our front yard and one in our backyard that we mow. And then I have a little area that I want to get mulched up that needs some extra mulch. Sometimes it means top dressing, sometimes it means composting, but whatever needs to be done for the week is what I will do. And this week we planted some fuchsias along the backside of an established bed, and it's on the backside of where there's already mulch. And I've just basically extended that bed another foot out, and I just need to get those fuchsias mulched. And yeah, so let's just jump into it, and we will see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye. We're just gonna mulch from here to there, just right along there. Hey, now you can clearly see all the little fuchsias. Nice.